Hello, friends. COVID 19 was initially thought to be disrupting supply side, has ultimately led to demand destruction. This will have an adverse impact on the global economic growth, including that of India's. India seemed to be doing a good job as far as the flattening of the infection curve is concerned, given the dense living conditions of its population. Um, the government has come out with fiscal support to the poor. RBI has also come out with monetary policy measures to ensure that the liquidity flows remains intact. The additional fiscal support is required to averse the risk aversion and also to support the small and medium enterprises which have deep economic linkages. Mastershare continues to invest in companies with competitive franchise, that is, the companies which enjoy leading positions with pricing power or cost advantage. We think that the current phase could be a consolidator where these companies with strong financial position, cash flow generation, and profitability focus have the potential to withstand the current adverse economic situation and also likely gain market share. Our key position sectoral weights are in banking, where we are underweight. The wide expectation in banking sector is that the delinquencies in the unsecured loans and the SME loans could go up. Therefore, our preference remains on the companies which have capital adequacy, strong liability franchise, and strong liquidity position. We do have exposure to some leading housing finance companies and NBFCs where liquidity is strong and there is a sound management backing also. Going forward, we will continue to have our overweight position on IT sector. This sector, we expect that the new business deal wins might slow down. However, as the businesses realize the need to go digital, we see that this will gain momentum after a few quarters ahead. The other overweight position is on the two-wheeler and four-wheeler place, where we think that the aspiration levels would catch up, and the demographic advantage would also help to have long-term demand potential for the sector. Pharmaceuticals is another overweight position where our preference has been to own combination of companies which have domestic presence in the chronic segment, also export opportunities where in the specialty pharma or contract manufacturing and also the complex generic market. We also have an overweight position on the telecom sector. Friends, please stay safe and take care. We will connect soon. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.